The palace is once again distancing President Bongbong Marcos from the ongoing clamor surrounding Vice President Sara Duterte's impeachment trial. In a briefing on Wednesday, June 4, Presidential Communications Office Undersecretary Claire Castro was asked about the palace's position on whether the impeachment trial against Duterte can be carried over from the 19th Congress to the 20th. In response, Castro says the president will not interfere with the impeachment process.
Kung ano po ang idea ng Pangulo patungkol dito, una po, maliwanag din sinabi ng Pangulo na impeach na po si VP Sara, kaya po hindi niya po ito papakialaman, wala po siyang anumang gagawin patungkol dito dahil lahat po na mangyayari ay nasa Senado na po.
Senators have debated on whether or not the impeachment trial against the Vice President can cross over to the next Congress. The palace official reiterates that Marcos wants due process to be upheld in the impeachment process. Castro emphasizes that the rule of law should be followed. She then stresses that the president should not be blamed for whatever decision the Senate makes on the matter.
Kung matuloy po o hindi matuloy ang impeachment, mukhang hindi na po yan sakop ng ating Pangulo. Ang gusto lang namin pong parating, sana po ay wag ipahid sa Pangulo kung ano man po ang magiging desisyon ng Senado dyan.